Hi, Removeitpros. What kind of equipment do you have? Kitchen equipment? Okay, we can take a look at it. Would you like to send me some photos so we can maybe see if it's something we think we can resell or we can repurpose?
It's about $3,400. One on eBay listed for $3,800. Another $11,000 brand new. That was for parts only. That was for $2,400. Same thing, new, $4,000 or $5,000.
So this is Lisa. My nickname for her is Command Central. So she answers the phones and fields all this stuff.
Okay, let me give you a phone number. If you send them to me, then I'll run them past Dave, see what he thinks, and we'll get back to you.
She also coordinates everything for us as far as when the jobs are coming in, when they're coming in from off the phone.
Okay, yeah, you can give that to Dale. He'll be able to get it from you. And they'll give you a call when they're on their way, okay, Robin? Perfect. All right, we'll see you soon. Thank you.
She's just a real critical part of what we do. So in this case, she took this call. We got this crazy amount of restaurant equipment, probably $10,000 to $15,000 worth of restaurant equipment. And she couldn't get a hold of us because we were out doing what we do.
Okay, well, he's not answering. Hold on just a second. Okay, let me give you a phone number. If you send him to me, then I'll run him past Dave, see what he thinks, and we'll get back to you. She's been in that unit for a while, and I think she has to be out by the end of the month. And at this point, she just needs it gone. So she had us come, and we picked up that. She's actually called me again. She has some display cases that she's interested in getting rid of also. But we haven't taken a look at those yet. She hasn't sent me the photos.
So a very unusual situation, and you identified that it was an unusual situation, and
we get a lot of unusual situations.
We made a decision.
Yep.
and went forward with it. You couldn't get a hold of Logan and I, and you just went ahead and made
Yep.
that decision. That's cool. So basically, all of this restaurant equipment in here, except for this piece right here, all came from a lady who unloaded the stuff from a store or a restaurant that went out of business, and she was trying to sell it on Craigslist, Facebook, Marketplace, and she was having no luck, and she needed her space back. Very typical problem here in Florida. Well, what I like to do here with Angie is she does all of our pricing. She does the pricing on the warehouse, so she figures out what things are worth and what our starting price will be. Between her experience and my experience, we come up with a starting price. Then from there, we bring it down until it sells. So all the stuff that you see in here, except for this, and this is a separate junk removal, we got a call for this particular item, which was a separate junk removal, and we got paid for that junk removal, and we brought this back and we put it up for sale. This kind of stuff, these cooking apparatuses, they're just basically pipes. So they don't really go bad. And they're very heavy duty, and we have very, very good luck selling commercial stuff over the last 15 years. So let's start with this. What do you think that would be worth?
I did some research, and there is one on eBay listed for $3,800. And it's used. So my guess, new, they're $12,000 probably.
Yeah, that's my guess. It'd be at least over 10, and that would be
Right.
10 years ago. So what do you think we should ask on this one? Starting price.
$29.99.
So we'll start that at $29.99. Now this is not part of this other stuff that we got that was a free junk removal. So behind you there, this Vulcan.
The double broiler.
Okay.
New, they were about $9,000 to $10,000. We have it listed for $36.99.
Okay, so that's a good starting point. So what about this down here? So this is a...
This is a grill. We're going to start this price at $4.99.
Okay, and what about this?
Another grill. This is more of a charbroil grill. Same thing, new, $4,000 or $5,000. We're going to start about $9.99.
Okay. So Vulcan, what do you know about Vulcan stuff?
Live long and prosper. Image of Sirac.
Is it high-end stuff or ordinary stuff?
I would say it's high-end.
So it's a very good and high-quality stuff. I do see it when I've looked it up a long time ago, it was very expensive.
The oven with an oven, the cooktop, and a broiler or a warmer on top.
Right.
So another $11,000 brand new will start at $14.99.
Okay, so this right here, this doesn't work, right?
Right,
So
this does not work. This showed up, good shape, good commercial refrigerator. The plug was kind of messed up when we got it, so I had Bernard, which is our shop guy, does a lot of our repairs, and he put a new plug on it. It doesn't cool.
So it needs Freon or something like that, which is not a big deal, and restaurants are used to fixing stuff like that. So we'll put this on for just parts only. And we put it at, what do we put it at?
$1,000 for parts only, because I also see one on eBay that was for parts only, that was for $2,400.
Was it completed sale or was it
Yes.
just, it was a
It's
completed
completed
sale.
sale.
So somebody paid $2,400 on eBay for this.
parts only.
So that means that's a pretty high quality, something that they can trust.
It's in good shape, it's nice,
Okay.
clean.
All right, so back here, these are 2 broilers, right?
These are actually cheese warmers.
When I'm slow on the draw and I need something to chaw, I hanker for a hunk of cheese.
Oh,
so if
cheese
you
warmers.
You want something, you just put something in there and it warms it up, melts kind of the top part of it.
Yeah.
They're like $1,500 brand new. I think I put them starting at $3.99.
$3.99.
Yep.
Okay, so we got 2 of those.
$3.99, and we have 2 of those. This is another Vulcan oven, like the one back there, but this one does not have the broiler on top. It's pretty good, clean condition. We're starting this one at $12.99.
Okay.
This is a bottle cooler. It works. It's deep. You can put stack all kinds of bottles in there. Brand new. It's about $3,400, and we're gonna start it at $1,000. Here's another cooler prep table. It's for your cold food. It has drawers. There's 2 drawers on here. You can put your trays in here. To set down, there's on here, and as you can see, it works. The condensation on here works. $2,400 new. What do I have? $12.99. Probably more than that. Probably more than 12. I honestly can't remember what this was brand new, but starting at $12.99.
What an amazing situation. So just because we're set up for it, just because, I don't know, we have favor somehow, I don't know why, but we ended up with all this stuff. We're gonna resell it. What is it, about $10,000 worth of stuff. So we did a free junk removal. We had to send over a crew of guys, truck, trailer, heavy stuff, bring it back here, clean it up, put it on Craigslist, put it on Facebook Marketplace, put it on eBay in this case, and I don't know, just amazing setup. What an incredible find we have here.
Yep.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe and leave us a like. I will see you on the next video.